Rolly Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. We got sad news, guys. This is gonna be the last time we do this intro in this room. Going back home to Texas today, man. I want to say thank you to my mom for letting me come chill at her crib. It's time for me to get back home, man, and get back to my regular life, man. Get back to work. You know, sad, man. This is gonna be my last time seeing my nephew, man. It's gonna be my last time seeing my nephew, and that's what sucks most. And then I didn't get to go say bye to my other nephews and nieces, but you know, just one of those things. But let's get the day started, guys. I love you, man. You know I'm not gonna see you for a long time. You about to go back to Minnesota.
Yes.
And I'm about to go back to work. So I'm not gonna see you for a long time.
I know. But if you want to see me, you have to go to Minnesota.
If I want to see you, I gotta come to Minnesota.
If you want to see me.
It's cold up there in Minnesota. I love you. Give me a hug. You about to go to school, so I'll see you later, man.
Bye.
I love you so much, kid.
It's over the game.
Alright, Rolly Gang, this is the last official weigh-in before I get back on the road, man. And I think the fast is over this weekend, or maybe next week. I gotta go look at my calendar and look at everything, but it's the last official weigh-in. Let's see. Since we doing 21 days of fasting, nothing but vegan food, no processed food, no meat at all whatsoever, no fried food, no sweets, chips, all that stuff. So let's see how we did so far.
Hello. It's ready. $319.4 pounds.
Baby, we 19 pounds from being under 300. We 19 pounds from being under 300. We gotta stay on this and focus. Well, we 20 pounds, my bad. 20 pounds for being under 300. I haven't been under 300 since, I don't know. It's probably been about 6 or 7 years, 8, 9, 10 years. I don't know. But we 20 pounds for being under 300.
What's up, Rolly Gang?
Chris, can you send me $10? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Good looking out. We ready for Texas, dog.
I know. I'm telling you. It's the takeovers when I hit Dallas. That's all it's gonna be. Take over.
Hold on, damn, G. You sent me $20 instead of 10? Oh my God. Niggas go above and beyond for you ask for. Hold on. You see that? It's early in the morning. Niggas ask for $10. They send you 20. That's love for real. That's love. She part of the Rolly Gang.
Rolly Gang.
And just like today, I'm just saying, Courtney, that's on you. You got high. But my thing is, why did you go get high after the people sent you home? Courtney, but why? That didn't make sense. But that didn't make sense. Didn't make since.
March.
I don't care.
And it ain't gonna be till April.
Courtney, clean your whole system out with the weed and whatever. You want to drink occasionally? See, we all drink occasionally. That ain't nothing. But don't drink to get drunk. That's word. You don't drink to get drunk.
I'm drinking now.
Yeah, but don't just sit back and drink. Drink water. Clean your system out. Courtney, the holidays is over, baby. Get it together, child.
Thanks for letting me stay here while my truck was getting ready.
Really, this is home.
I love you, man.
I love you too. Ooh.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting put that thing back on me. Thanks for letting you stay at home. Really, duh.
Alright, we made it. It's time to head to Texas to get our roll on, get my truck. It's about to be a long ride though. I should have caught a plane, but my bag is too heavy. Should have drove, but I don't feel like driving. Like I want to save the driving for long drive for when I get my truck. So let's go check in and get ready to go. Alright, this is where the journey begins. It's about to be a long ride. It's about to be one of those long ass rides, man, but we gonna enjoy it and we gonna make it. Somebody sitting right here.
What speaker on?
It's off, it's right there in Covington Site. Alright, so I picked a pretty decent seat. Got a whole full table here where I can edit. Got a table to edit. So I'm editing. Hold on, let me see, let me show you. So right now, editing this vlog that you guys are currently watching. So let's get back to the video. First stop of this trip, Matthews, Missouri. We at the PA. We stopping at a truck stop. This is a sign from God? I'm saying it's time for you to get back on the road, bro. It's cold as hell out here though, man. Go see if they got something. See, they don't got nothing vegan, none of this stuff, so I gotta find, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need something to snack on, but you know, truck stops ain't got nothing healthy that I need. Sitting here in the Memphis terminal, man. Made it from St. Louis to Memphis. Now I'm just sitting there, I got a 2-hour layover. Huh? Oh yeah, got a 2-hour layover, man. So I think my bus leave at 10 something, so I should get to Dallas in like 6 in the morning. Then you gotta edit as you go and make it easier. So in the morning I could just upload this. And we start the next vlog in the morning.